So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize photo filters inside of the photo editor in ILoveIMG. So over here I am in the home page, and now in order to access the photo editor, I'm going to click on photo editor and then click on select image. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and bring in an image that you want to go ahead and apply the filter to right here, just like this. Once you do that, you can go to filter and light and simply go ahead and click the filter that you want to apply. Click on it again to remove it out. So you can go ahead and select, let's say, black and white, vintage, Polaroid right here. So you can apply out multiple filter right here as you want as well, and click to remove it out. So you can see that there's Technicolor, there's Kodachrome right here, there's Brownie to make the picture look like old, or Sepia right here, and so forth. So you can go for Technicolor, let's say for example, and then you can go ahead and work around with brightness as well. You can remove out a bit of a color right here, like for example, you can go ahead and apply it out and so forth. So with, let's say for example, some effects like remove color and brightness, you can see that you got more options. Like you can go ahead and choose, like for example, which color you want to remove right here, just like this as well. Like for example, you can select out green, or you can go around over here and let's say for example, choose a specific color right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and be specific right here and then choose to remove that color as well. So you can go ahead and apply, and that is the effect that you get. You can go with the brightness as well, and you can change the level of the brightness as you want as well. But the picture is looking quite ugly, so let's just go ahead and revert back. And now I'm going to go around and simply apply out Technicolor right here. A bit of, let's say for example, Sepia, or maybe invert it out right here, or sharpen it out a bit right here and apply. And then this is the effect that you get. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in filters out to photos right here. And then you can go ahead and save this out as well, and then get the effect as you want right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.